Hello, today I'm going and we're doing. So then, yeah. And this is my ticket. And your energy. It's like a fairy tale. And welcome to Bardia. The book collection. Oh, he aako reson tho yaha. Staying on Hornbill, but our little brothers. But it's like, oh, look at that. You see that? Today we're gonna be looking for cheetah and tiger. Hello, today we're going to Nepalganj and we're going. So there is our friends. My mother, my father, we got some more people coming. This is our group record. Or this little guy. Yeah. And this is me myself who's vlogging. So this is wait, and this is my ticket. And your energy. Thank you, Rachel.
Tati ho kya? Tati ho hai.
अब हामी जाँदैछौँ कता रियन?
मलाई थाहा छैन.
जाड गरौँ भाइ.
राजती भन्नु त ल.
के भन्ने? हामी अब गोरतिर जाँदैछौँ. सङ्गारे.
मेरो के भन त ल?
हाय. मेकअप बिना मलाई के बोल्नै मन लाग्दैन भने.
रियन, रेनु.
Resha, please jacket launa.
Resha, Kian.
Didi. Hello, so guys, today I'm going to be vlogging a video. Let's go. Yeah. This is the entrance. Very good, like a fairy tale. And welcome to Bardia. Oh, swing! There's a swing. Very good, very good. Kasa swing. Okay, jump. So, this very pretty place. I like it. Look at that. There's a cafe.
Hazır.
Look at this. There's a book collection. Oh, he aako reson tho yaha. See that? Let's go there. My father, my brother, Rajdai, and my sister, my mother, this Kian Bhai, and this Sarnanini. And this is my small brother. This is my small brother, little brother, who is very excited to go. This is my big brother, who is really not excited to go because this is the hotel we're staying at. we're going on a safari after all the people comes from the zoo.
Can you speak something? Ate Maku, do you like safari?
This is our little brother Kian. This is their apartment. Hello. This is our apartment. There's hello. There's our hotel's name.
What is that name?
We're staying on Hornbill, but our little brother's hotel is
Here comes
Sunbird.
Resha blogger. Famous Resha blogger from Nepal, Kathmandu. Khushibu.
This is my father.
बर्दिया पनि राम्रो हेबिटेट छ तपाईँ खोल्नु थालिसकेपछि उहाँ चाहिँ 42 सालमा यो चाहिँ हाम्रो बर्दियामा टाइगर टप भन्ने स्थापना भएपछि 45 देखि सुरु गरे होला समथिङ अब 1-2 वर्ष त टाइम गर्न लाग्यो होला अनि पछि
त्यो त एकदम जंगल बीचमा छ नि त्यो त
त्यो जंगल बीचमा पहिला पनि थियो बाहिर पनि थियो पछि चाहिँ नि अहिले त बाहिर निकालिसकेको सबै भित्र छैन त्यो अहिले पछि उहाँहरुको देखासिकेबाट अरु होटलहरु सिक्नु भयो अब नभए उहाँले मात्रै गेस्ट ल्याउने विदेशीले चलाउने र स्वदेशी
Hello, today we're gonna go on a national park. National park. यो चाहिँ कर्णाली खोला हो
नेपालको longest river.
Nepal's longest river that we saw on Bardia. We're going to the national park now because why not? Let's explore something in the forest. Okay, look at that. It's really pretty. I tell you. Let's go around here so you can see it. That's the Bardia. That's the Karnali Resort and Karnali River, which is the longest river in Nepal that we found in Bardia. Now we're going to the national park to explore some new animals,
Museum.
and also, it's also a museum. So I'm going to show you the Karnali River more, like more from the front. Look at that. There's a metro road, but it's like, oh, look at that. You see that? It's Nepal's longest river. Look at that. It's kind of nice. Yep, that's it. So hey guys, we came back and this is the resort. I'm in the national park. You see, there's tigers, statue tigers, and this elephant. Hello, hello. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that tiger statue looking at each other. Very pretty, but it's not a real tiger. We're going to see a real tiger later on, right? Right? Our small brother. You see, we're going to see dolphins too. This is me. I'm the one. You see the monkey and the... Oh my God. There's monkeys everywhere. Hi. You see this? Oh my God, they're looking so... You see the elephant? You see the elephant? There's 3 elephants. They're like, look at that. In their feet, there's a chain wrapping them around which in their feet, which won't let them escape the. That's a male. That's a female. That's a female. Oh, let's go there too. Oh, look at that! There's a rhino. Rhino. That's a big rhino, you know. Hello. He looks like he's crying, but he's not crying. You know, that's really pretty, but these zoo, like, they found animals, they rescue the animals, and they keep it there. So, let's go. That name is Vikram. Let's feed him. Let's go. Yeah, hi Vikram, you want to feed? Baba, the monkey. Oh my God, he's eating it. He's eating it. He's eating it. Good one, Vikram. I like it. So he's eating it, which I fed him.
पानीमा लाल्नु गरम हुने हो
Do you want to go with them?
गनवानी तिहान छ गनवानी हो
बस्ने हो उनीहरुसँग बस्ने हो You want to go with them? No? No? Okay.
खोलामा चाहिँ एकदम कम भइसक्यो खोलामा किनभने मान्छेले कसैले बिस एकदमै खोलामा माछा पनि कम भयो यिनीहरू पनि कम भयो ठुलो भइसकेपछि फेरि
छोडिदिन्छ ए
अब सानो समयलाई किनभने सानैमा छोड्नु भयो भने यिनीहरूलाई
मर्ला हैन
मर्नु भन्दा पनि यिनीहरूलाई शिकार गर्न त्यति आइडिया पनि हुँदैन दोस्रो कुरो के हुन्छ भने यिनीहरूको चिलले खेल्छ सानो बच्चा अब ठुलो भइसकेपछि
शिकार गर्न आउँछ
Smart mouth, you know. Kind of looks scary, and there's so many, right?
यहाँ त बसी बसी खाइरा
Is that enough? You're there. We can't even count how many are there.
केही समय लाग्छ
That was a crocodile, and I think that's a crocodile's baby. You see, it's really pretty, you know. Let's go watch some more things. So this is that's the crocodile's baby, which we saw there. That was a big crocodile with the same mouth, and this is same thing. Oh, look at that. They look kind of scary, and they look like they look like a statue because they don't move. Yeah. You know, they look like a statue because they don't move.
यसको मुख के भयो पाछे हो यो
यिनीहरूलाई माछा खाना नै हिसाबले बनाएको यिनीहरूको हेबिटेट र डल्फिनको हेबिटेट एउटै हो खोलामा दोबान भएको ठाउँमा यस्तो ठाउँमा बस्नु भयो कति चल्यो
In here, everything. This is all the music instruments that they use, and there are some shoes they use. This I don't think I know it, but you see this? You could sit here. And here, this is all the ornaments that they wear. This is bed. Is it?
Ken, what is that?
Bed.
Beard.
I don't think that's a bed, but they've got the, clothes that they wear. There's a bed. You could sleep on. Which we can. This looks like a bed. That is a bed. So, and that it's everything.
यो चाहिँ रक्सी पार्ने है रहेछ
Oh, there's a walls.
Excuse me.
Hey. Poo गर्यो पू खाइदेऊ न नगर्नु न खोइ औषधि पू एकछिन पू पू गर्नु पू हे एकछिन थोडा हे कपो Oh, we got inside! Woohoo! It's a safari day! Look up.
Wait, bisa lagi yang sama tuh.
There, Leon. Now we're gonna look at the tigers that's gonna come. Oh my god. The road is gonna shake.
Leopard cheetah देख्छौ होला है यहाँ एनिमलहरु पिकनिक आउ नबोल है लेopard आयो नि
Can.
नटिले हाई गर के सबै आउँछ
बाबा त त्यो गोप्रो रेसाबाट लिएको You guys want to be famous.
कस्तो चारो पुगेको
देखियो एउटा के ब्लुप ब्लुप गरेर आइरहेछ न
मैले के देखेन घाँस पानी
यो के पानी ब्लुप ब्लुप भइरहेछ के रहेछ एउटा
माछा
सबैले ताउँछ एउटा फोटो खिच्छ
Today we're gonna be looking for cheetah and tiger. This is my small brother. Hi, Banana. Hi. This is my father.
Hello. Oh my god. This is the Karnali Bridge, longest bridge of Nepal.
River.
The river.
Safari captain. Oh my god.
उठ से सवारी है।
Oh my god.
Oh. Safari क्या बुलाया था? It's so windy out here. Look at it. It's kind of windy out here. There's a balance on क्या करूँ? मलाई उडाउन लागिरहेको छ साँच्ची हो। त्यसमा ब्यान्ड गर्छ हेर्न
ल यसो के भन ल कस्तो भइरहेछ यहाँ कर्णाली ब्रिजमा आएर
मलाई उडाउन लागिरहेको
ल राज कस्तो फिल भइरहेछ कर्णाली आएर चिसो Oh, stop fighting. यो चाहिँ टिका पुगेको पार्ट भयो ल राज राज यो के हो रे
वीरेन्द्र विश्राम वाटिका
फोटोग्राफरहरू यिनीहरू सबै होइन फोटो खिच्दै भन्नु भने फोटो खिच्दिन्छ अनि त्यसपछि एक फुल पनि नटिप्ने जाना रहेछ दिन्छ होला नि enjoying? Ken, are you enjoying?
Yes,
बर्बाद बाबा वाला प्यारो यसलाई एभ्री टाइम बाबा भनेर बाबाको समाते गर्छु अनि यो मैयालाई पनि लागिसक्यो धेरै चिसो छ कति खालको चिसो यहाँ रहेछ वनभोजस्थल अनि यो चाहिँ महेन्द्र आरोग्य गृह मैले आरोग्य भनेको के हो ऊ त्यो होला रेस्ट गर्ने ठाउँ दिस इज नाइस All the vibes is like एकदम peace so you can stay here खै त म त कतै पनि देख्दिनँ फ्रुट्स खोज्दै जाऊँ हेरौँ एकजना अलिकति बिरामी छ त्यही भएर बुई बुई भन्दैछ दिस इज काउ बोय यो काउ बोय होइन यो त यसको बानी त मङ्की बोय हुनुपर्ने गरेर यो मेरो मम्मी है अनि सबैलाई मम्मी भन्दै हिँड्छु राम्रो केटी पायो भने तपाईँ ए मम्मी हो यो चाहिँ हाम्रो लुती बहिनी यो भाइ त लास्ट भन्नु त्यो राम्रो केटी पायो कि मम्मी बाबा यो त्यहाँ तिम्रो पछाडि मङ्की ओ माई गड यो मङ्की छ फाइनली हामी यो पार्कबाट फर्किँदैछौँ है मङ्की धेरै लाग्छ र हामी पुऱ्याउँछौँ बाई मङ्की धेरै मङ्की छ मेरो पछि पछि आइरहेको
सबिना ल यो ठाउँको बारे ब्रिफ डिस्क्रिप्सन देऊ त ल
यहाँ केराको जे पनि परिकार पाइन्छ अरे
केराको चिप्स केराको ज्याम अनि
केराको रस सबै
हजुर हजुर हो र ल हामी खाना यही खानु आँटेको छ अब
सो यसमा चाहिँ यो रेस्टुरेन्ट चाहिँ बनानाको आइटममा स्पेसलाइज गर्छ नामै बनाना रेस्टुरेन्ट टिकापुरमा छ यहाँ हेलिकप्टरहरू र के पनि छ हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ
यो सबै
यो त पस्दिनु अनुवाले है अनुवा यहाँ
डिक्टेसन देऊ त राज हेर्नेर के हो
हामीसँग अहिले बनानाको चिप्स छ बनाना सेक बनाना वाइन बनाना ब्रान्डी विस्की
क्यान बनाना शेक ना तुमको बनाना ही जो पाया दिया ना
केरा घारी पनि एक राउन्ड खेलेर
so yummy
Hi, good morning. आज हाम्रो फ्लाइट छ सो एट लास्ट हामी यस्तो राम्रो ब्युटिफुल प्लेस बर्दियाबाट हामी टाटा बाई बाई गर्दैछौँ अन्टिल नेक्स्ट टाइम किनभने हामी नेक्स्ट टाइम फेरि एकचोटि आउँछौँ योपालि हामीले टाइगर देखेन टाइगर हेर्न एकचोटि त आउनै पर्छ लाइफमा सो यो ग्रिनरी प्लेस यहाँ आउन हाम्रो टाइगर नजाने फोक्सोको मस्त एक्सर्साइज भयो रमाइलो पनि भयो 3 दिन घाम लाएर आज हुस्सु लाग्छ वेदर पनि सबै हेर्न पायो सो बाई बाई